Good day everyone, welcome to WAEC Academy. Today you want to look at the question as you are seeing at the right corner of the screen. This is an isometric. You want to reproduce out that object you are seeing at the right corner of the screen. So now for us to start drawing that, as we all know, in isometric, the first thing to do is what? Draw our horizontal line and our inclined 30-degree line. So doing that, I'll be having this. This is my t-square. Play your t-square this way. Your t-square this way. Draw your horizontal line this way. Then you take your set square. You project it this way, like this. Here is 30. As you can see that. Similarly, take it like this. Like this. From here to here, so it's 30. So from this point here, 30. So that simply means this point to this point is 30 degree, and this point here to this point here is 30 degree. Next up, I will take my t-square this way. As you can see, I will project that middle line upward. I'm still seeing what I did. After I successfully project that line upward, next up, as you can see at the right corner of the screen, there is a distance from here to here is 30. As you can see, from here to here is 30. Now you measure 30. Now take your arrow 30 from this point. From here to here is what? 30. No, take it. Before I measure that 30, as we know that isometric, there are some things we need. We need the length, the breadth, and the height. Our length in that figure is what? Is given as 60 rather. Our breadth is given as 40, and our height is given as 50. So I will replicate all this to this. Now our breadth is 40, so that simply means from here to here is 40. So this is my 40 point here. From here to here is 60. From here to here is 60. 60. Now I'll take those points upward with my t-square this way. Project this line upward. As you can see, come to this point, project the line upward. As you can see what we're having. Next up, the height is what? Our height is what? 50. As you can see, 50. So we measure 50. From here to here is my point 50. So from this point 50 here, I'll take my set square this way. I will join it to this line here. You can see. I'll take it similarly like this. Touch the other part here, this way. Then I'll close it up. Take it this way back again. Take it like this from that point here. This way. Then take it other side this way. And join it together this way. This way. So you extend this point with this one. Extend this way. So they are meeting at this point. Alright. So next up, that line seems somehow not straight. So I need to straighten it very well. So I'm having this. Now next up, as you can see at the right corner of the screen, they said the distance from here to somewhere here is 30. So let's measure 30. Measure my 30 from here to here. This is my point 30 here. You're taking it. It's taking. What do you observe? Here to here it is thickened. Just thicken it. From this point here to this point is thickened. Let's thicken it. It's thickened, thicken it. As you can see that. So now, from my point 30 to my point 30, left up, the height of this is what? 30, as you can see. The height is 30. So I'll measure what? 30 from this point here. Here to here is my 30. I will thicken it, draw it downward, thicken it this way. As you can see, now I'm thickening it. Next up, I will take my my set square this way and my T square. I will connect them to the edge of that this way. Take it this way. And this is the fifth line. As you can see, take it this way. Do the fifth line. As you can see, we have it. So that is from here to here is 30, from here to here is 30. As you can see, from here to here is 30. So just take the set square this way. So you project it, get to touch that line you have drawn, that fifth line you have drawn. So then you close it up. We are having this. As you can see that. Next up, you join this point and this point. Sorry, before that, you take your set square. As you have projected this line this way, this line here is this line here. So now you have projected it this way. The distance from here to here is 20, as you can see. 20. I'll measure my 20 from here to here. 20. 0, 1, 2. From here to here is my 20. So then I will take my set square this way. Project this line here, a different line this way. Then I will join it where they are meeting. I'm meeting at this point here. So then you close up this up to this point here. You close it up. You close this point up. We're having this. So next up, what do you observe from the question? They connected this point to the upper point here. So let's connect it. This point here with a thick line to the upper point here. So then we close it. Let's close it with a thick line this way. So we're having this. As you can see what we're having. Next up, if you observe very well, the line from here to where? To somewhere here is what? 35. So that's 35. 35 from here. 35 is somewhere here. Okay. 35. So 35 is somewhere here. From here. Going this one there. 35. 35 is somewhere here. So it's connected, it's taking it, We're having this. So next up, the next time I do is what? I will take, similarly, I will take it this way. I'll draw a faint line this way, downward this way. And I'll draw a faint line this way too. So just draw a thick line. So where it meets, you form that rectangle that you are seeing up on it. So make this to this way. I'll be having this. So next up, the next thing I will do here is what? As you can see at the right corner of the screen, from here to somewhere there's a line. Let me see me draw the line. It is from here, from this point here, this point you are seeing here, downward this way. There's a measurement of what? Of 15. So now let's measure 15 from that point. From this point here, this is my point 0, 1, 15 is here. You taking it. So as you can see that similarly, you take it this way. From that point 15 you have drawn, you extend it with a thick line. You can see that now. Because it's going to be useful. That's why I'm always extending anything I have drawn. I'm extending them so that it will be useful when you need it. So I've extended it this way, as you can see. Now, but what you need from here to somewhere here is what? 10 instead of 10. So measure 10. You can see at the right corner of the screen. From here to somewhere here is 10. This is 0 and this is 1. From 10 here. to sticking it, put it up, the thick line. I'll be having this. So let's stop. Let me show you what I'm doing. Let's stop. It is sticking. So therefore, let's do this what you take your set square this way, you project that edge point upward this way. So what do you now observe? You take it this way, you connect from this point here, connect this point here to this point. You can see. Then you connect this point here to this point. What we are doing is just what copy and paste. We are just doing copy and paste. So after that we done all this and this and this, likewise this. So you take your set square this way, from this edge point here, connect it to this point here. We are having this. Next up, as you are seeing, from this point here is this point here. So from that point here, the distance of what? 15. So let me 15. Then my 15. From here to here is 15. From here to here is 15. So I'll thicken it because it is thickened. Next up, from that point 15 I have drawn. They said from here to here is what? 5. So measure 5 from that point to this point is 5. It is thickened, it. Likewise from this edge point here to somewhere here is 5. From here, somewhere here is 5. Thicken it. So that is 5, 5. Now let's stop. This is 5, 5. You take your set square this way, incline this way, you connect it this way. You come to the other part here, you connect it this way. This is what we're having. After connecting it this way, you what? You take your set square down this way, you project this line here downward. We're having this, as you can see. So similarly, you take your set square this way, you connect this line here to this line where it is meeting. You can see what I'm having. You connect this line, this one here, to this point where it meets. So I can just take this point here, downward, the straight line. So don't forget, we're still having one left. Take this point here, connect it to this point here. You can see, you're closing it up by taking this point to this point. We're having this. So similarly, I can take this point too. I project this line downward, I project this point here downward. But we're having this. So next up, you project this one too here, this point here, downward. We're having something of this nature, downward this way, as you can see. So then, therefore, from this point, so from somewhere here is what? 5. So I measure 5. From here, somewhere here is 5. This is 5 here. Alright. So that point I have made, I will transfer that point this way. This is 5. Here is 5. So you transfer the point to this point here. You can see that. So from that point, you thicken it from here to here. You thicken it. You can see. You thicken from here to here. Likewise, from here to here, thicken it. As you can see, what we're having. So next up, you take that same 5 this way. This is 5 here. This point that I made earlier is touching this point here. So you taking that point from here to here. As you can see, then you join them with what? You line this way. You're having this. Similarly, I can just take my set square from here. So as I already done that, as you can see right corner of the screen, So next up, in this there's another inner square there. But they say that distance from here to here is 5. From here to here is 5. Likewise from here to here is 5. To here to 5. So let's do that. Here to here is 5. Point it here to here is 5. Point it here to here is 5. Here to here is 5. As you can see. Similarly, here to here is what? 5. So we take them this way. Faint line, connect them, take it upward, faint line this way. This point here, faint line this way. Likewise, come to this point here. Faint line this way, as you can see. So from here to here to is 5. As you can see, so we take it this way. From here to here, faint line this way. So I'll connect what? The inner part together. From here to here, taking it. From here to here, taking it. From here to here, I will taking it. I will take it from here to here. I'll be having this. So similarly, my point is going to be connected at this point. This point here, extend it outside this way. So you now take your set square from this point here, where it's touching that line you have drawn now. Take it this way. As you can see. Then you what? Take your set square, you close it up to this point. So I'll be having this. So let me clean all this hidden line here. I'm trying to clean all this line that we don't need those lines. All the line that we don't need. They are all imaginary line. This imaginary line will help us to get to point. So we don't need it to estimate. So then this point here. Then this point, all this line. So we'll be having this as our final product. So we have successfully replicate what you are seeing at the right corner of the screen to be this. So if you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscription button and like. Thank you. Welcome to WAEC Academy. Thanks for watching.